So now let's take a look at patching. So patching and vulnerabilities kind of go hand in hand because there's applying patches will help fix some of these vulnerabilities. So let's take a look at the data we have here. So again, since we have 3 different sites reporting, you can see the total count of critical missing patches at the different locations. So Milwaukee's pretty high here, whereas Madison seems to be doing all right. Still pretty high, but not 4,000 high. You can also see a severity breakout of applicable patches per site. So looking at Madison, Detroit, and Milwaukee. And even the most outstanding patches by asset. So again, here at the bottom of this vertical bar is the different asset host names, and then each bar here is showing you the total count of missing patches. You can also see patch release date quarters, as well as the count of patches in a raw format here per asset. Now, one of the other things we can do, we talked about user entered data earlier. We can also create groupings of assets. So here we actually see a breakout of IT patching versus OT patching. So we can see how many critical patches are on the OT side and how many on the IT side. And then we also have the patch category as well. And then some raw information about the different patches that are applicable. And I can do the same type of filtering I've done in all the other dashboards here. We can look at just critical assets and filter down to just those patches. We can even look at system group and look at things like production assets. And now we can filter it all the way down to just critical production assets. And again, the same way, we can also put in a filter around, as whitelisting and enforcement mode. So I'll pull up the enforcement mode filter here, and we'll say is not in lockdown mode. And we filter down even farther to how many, really critical patches there are in the environment.